Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you struggling to stay focused and confident while working or studying? Well, I have a game changing solution for you, the Pomodoro method. The Pomodoro method is a time management technique that breaks your work into intervals, typically 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. This strategy not only boosts your productivity but also enhances your confidence levels. By focusing on one task at a time and taking regular breaks, you'll feel more accomplished and in control of your workload. Imagine being able to tackle your to-do list with ease and breeze through your tasks feeling empowered and motivated. That's the power of the Pomodoro method. So, give it a try and watch your confidence soar to new heights. Remember, beautiful souls, you have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace the Pomodoro method and unlock your full potential. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. Boost your confidence with the Pomodoro method and watch your dreams become a reality. You've got this.
Hey journaling enthusiasts! Today, I'm sharing 5 effective tips for boosting your bullet journaling growth. First tip, set clear goals for your bullet journal. Whether it's to be more organized, improve productivity, or track habits, having a purpose will keep you motivated. Next, experiment with different layouts and designs. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. Find what works best for you and makes you excited to open your journal every day. Remember to stay consistent with your journaling routine. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day updating your journal. It will help you stay on track and see progress over time. Lastly, don't be afraid to share your journal with others. Join online communities, participate in challenges, and seek inspiration from fellow bullet journalists. It's a great way to stay motivated and learn new techniques. Boost your bullet journaling growth with these tips and watch your creativity flourish. Happy journaling! Uplifting ending sentence, keep journaling and watch your growth soar. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about a powerful technique that can help you improve your mindset and productivity, the Pomodoro method. The Pomodoro method is simple yet effective. You work for 25 minutes straight, then take a 5-minute break. This helps you stay focused and avoid burnout, while giving your mind time to rest and recharge. Main story point 1. By breaking your work into shorter intervals, you'll find it easier to concentrate and stay on task. This can lead to increased productivity and better time management skills. Main story point 2. The Pomodoro method also helps you cultivate a consistent mindset. As you practice this technique regularly, you'll develop a sense of discipline and motivation that will spill over into other areas of your life. So, if you want to improve your mindset and boost your productivity, give the Pomodoro method a try. Remember, consistency is key. Uplifting ending sentence, keep pushing yourself to be the best version of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo. 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 yo, 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 yo. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to give you 5 essential tips for a successful Notion setup. First tip is to start with a clear vision. Before diving into creating pages and databases, take some time to define your goals and what you want to achieve with Notion. This will help you stay organized and focused as you build out your workspace. Next, don't be afraid to customize. Notion is incredibly flexible, so make sure to tailor it to your unique needs. Experiment with different templates, layouts, and integrations to find what works best for you. Remember to stay organized by creating a system that works for you. Whether it's using tags, filters, or a specific naming convention, find a method that helps you easily locate information and stay on top of tasks. Lastly, don't forget to regularly review and update your Notion setup. As your needs and goals change, make sure to adjust your workspace accordingly to ensure it continues to support you effectively. So there you have it, 5 essential tips for a successful Notion setup. I hope these tips help you create a workspace that enhances your productivity and organization. Keep on creating and stay organized. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, creative souls. Today, I'm here to share with you 5 tips for developing a creative routine in just minutes. Tip number 1. Set aside dedicated time each day to focus on your creativity. Even if it's just 15 minutes, carving out this space will help you stay consistent and inspired. Now, on to tip number 2. Create a designated workspace that inspires you. Whether it's a corner of your room or a cozy nook in a cafe, having a space that sparks your creativity is essential. Remember, creativity is a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly. By incorporating these quick tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full creative potential. So go ahead, embrace your inner artist, and watch your creativity soar. See you next time, fellow creatives. Uplifting ending sentence, keep creating and never stop dreaming. Artist palette sparkles.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you the power of vision boards and how they can transform your success in a mindful way. One of the main benefits of creating a vision board is that it helps you visualize your goals and dreams. By seeing these images every day, you're constantly reminding yourself of what you're working towards. This can help you stay focused and motivated in achieving your goals. Another great thing about vision boards is that they can also serve as a tool for manifestation. When you manifest your desires and believe in them wholeheartedly, you're more likely to attract those things into your life. It's all about the power of intention and the law of attraction. So, why not give it a try? Create your own vision board and watch as your dreams start to become a reality. Remember, the mind is a powerful thing, and when you combine it with intention and action, anything is possible. Uplifting ending sentence. Believe in yourself and your dreams, and watch as you transform your success with vision boards, the mindful way. Thank you for watching.
Hey everyone, it's time to level up your Notion setup for success. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to stay organized, these 5 easy tips will help you transform your workspace and boost your productivity. First up, customize your workspace to fit your needs. Notion offers endless possibilities for customization, so take advantage of this by creating templates, setting up dashboards, and organizing your pages in a way that works best for you. Next, streamline your workflow by using databases and linked databases. This powerful feature allows you to connect different pages and databases together, making it easy to track your tasks, goals, and projects all in one place. By implementing these tips, you'll be on your way to a more efficient and organized Notion setup that sets you up for success. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your productivity soars to new heights. Uplifting ending sentence: here's to a more productive and organized you, thanks to your transformed Notion setup.
Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 tips for perfecting your whiteboard setup and boosting growth. Tip number 1: keep it clean and organized. A clutter-free whiteboard will help you stay focused and ensure that your ideas are clear and easy to understand. Tip number 2: use color coding to your advantage. Assign different colors to different themes or categories to make your information visually appealing and easier to digest. By following these tips, you'll not only perfect your whiteboard setup, but also boost growth in your business or personal projects. So go ahead, grab your markers and get creative. Uplifting ending sentence: remember, a well-organized whiteboard is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals and reach new heights. Thanks for watching.
Hey there! Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed with tasks and doubting your abilities? Well, I've got a game-changing method that can help boost your self-esteem and productivity: the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro method is simple: work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, and then take a longer break. By breaking your work into manageable chunks, you'll feel more accomplished and confident in your abilities. Not only does the Pomodoro technique help you stay focused and productive, but it also allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Each completed Pomodoro session is a step towards reaching your goals and boosting your self-esteem. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, give the Pomodoro method a try. You'll be amazed at how it can transform your mindset and help you build your self-esteem one Pomodoro at a time. Remember, you've got this. Keep pushing forward and believing in yourself. You're capable of achieving great things.
Hey there, fellow creatives. Today, let's take a peek inside the exciting world of creative notes and witness the incredible growth that's been happening lately. First off, have you ever seen such a burst of creativity in one place? Creative Notes has been exploding with growth, with more and more people joining our community every day. It's truly inspiring to see the passion and talent that each and every member brings to the table. Now, let's talk about the amazing collaborations that have been happening within Creative Notes. Artists, writers, musicians, you name it, we've got it all. The support and encouragement that flows between creators is simply heartwarming, and it's been fueling our collective growth in ways we never thought possible. As we wrap up today's little glimpse into the world of Creative Notes, remember that the journey of growth and creativity is never ending. Let's continue to lift each other up, inspire one another, and watch as our community grows beyond our wildest dreams. Uplifting ending sentence: so here's to growth, creativity, and the wonderful community that makes it all possible. Keep shining, keep creating, and keep spreading those creative vibes. Cheers to Creative Notes. Glowing star sparkles.